my back the 65L Cobra Rope Bag by Arbortec. Let's take a look at it. We've got a useful chest strap and hip belt to spread the load. This thing's absolutely cavernous. Let's see what we can fit inside. This could be a really good one-stop shop for a travelling subby in terms of fitting all of your kit in here. Zipper lid, drawstring top. Let's see what we've got inside. Wire core flip line. Got a really useful detachable bucket that we can use to keep stuff separate. So I've got all my climbing kit in here. Rope guide, strop, 37-metre line with mechanical friction device. Harness, 50-metre lowering rope, dead-eye sling, assorted tape slings, X-ring on a dead-eye. We've got gear loops at the front for carabiners. I've got a hand descender on there. I can fit my silky saw in the mesh pocket. Handy zipper pocket at the side for swing cheek pulleys. Another storm-proof compartment, and I've got all my SRT gear in here. Rope wrench, chest harness, foot loop and knee ascender, and that's it in there. We've got another drainage hole again, get water out of there, and there is a detachable divider for keeping bits and bobs separate inside. This is the 65L Cobra Rope Bag by Arbortec.